Okay, hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show to you how to insert a picture into a Google spreadsheet. Okay. Normally, when we insert a picture in Excel or Word, is almost the same thing lah. Just the difference here is this is online Google Sheet. Okay, now I'm going to start. So this is a very small functions and actually not something new lah. For example, now we have this thing. We want to insert the picture over this cell that I highlight here over here. Okay, so first of all we go to insert. Okay, under the menu of insert you can see image. Okay, for the image, under this sub menu we have image in cell and image over cell. So what's the difference between these two? Okay, if you choose image in cell, okay, let me show to you. Okay, for the image in cell, okay, we browse for the picture. Okay, for example, I choose this picture, then I say open. Okay, so the image will be fit into the size of the cell, meaning they will fit inside here. So if you want to make it bigger, we just drag the the bar here. Okay, we drag here. So let's say I pull down. Okay, it will change the size. Okay, even if you want to make a bigger one, you have to continue to pull it down. Okay, and also you can pull this bar to make it bigger size. Okay, it will. So meaning the size of the picture will change according to the cell. This one we call it insert image in cell. Okay, so the second one, if we choose to insert an image over the cell, so let's say I highlight this one. Okay, this one, I highlight this cell. So now I go to the same menu, insert. Under insert, still image. So now I choose image over cell. Image over cell. Okay, then still the same thing. We need to browse for it. Okay, look for the picture. Let's say I still choose the same picture. This one is depends on where you store the picture. Actually, it can be everywhere. So after I choose it, okay, now you see the difference. Okay, you can see. So this one we call it insert a picture over cell. So you can see the pictures are placing not according to the size of the cells. So it will be everywhere. So actually this one make it very troublesome for us. Okay. So even you can move. So you can cover everything. Maybe the things that actually you don't want to cover, you will cover. So better you choose insert image in cell. This one is better. Okay, so better when you insert the image, you choose the menu of insert image in cell, so you will have the result of the picture like this. Okay, so thanks for watching. So that's all for the video today. Thank you very much.